So what I want to do here is saturate my hair with this, so you guys see like how the hair is separating. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fresh. This is King Diva, and we're gonna be doing something to our luscious hair today. Alright guys, so I think one of the last videos I did a wash day, and I did my wash day about 4 days ago. After the wash day, I didn't do anything to this hair. My hair is as dry as dry. We're going to be revitalizing our hair with the mixture of water and conditioner. This is the conditioner by Mega Growth. This conditioner dissolves in water so well. I love it, and I just like the fact that it looks so white. It's like milk. I can drink it right now. And the next thing we're going to be using is this. So I know this is the popular Cantu container, but that's not the content of this. So what you have here is a couple of things. I'm going to try and recall them. So I have shea butter here, I have castor oil here, I have argan oil here, I have but the major content of this is the shea butter. So let me show you guys what the consistency looks like. So we're going to be using this to lock in moisture and just generally keep the hair moisturized. I've heard a lot about hair butters. Like, I've heard so much about hair butters. Like, so we're taking all these out now, aren't we? I'm just going to section my hair, revitalize it with our moisture, and basically just start with the butter. Okay, so now we're going in with our butter, and this is what this looks like. Guys, it's been long I used a butter on my hair. Like, it's been so long. Last time I used a butter on my hair was like last year. Like, it was a chebe mixture. I did a chebe and the Maishanu butter, but I washed it off because the smell is terrible. But for this one, guys, it smells so good. I think I have mint oil here. So what I want to do here is saturate my hair with this butter, finger the tangle. Okay, so this is going to be difficult to work with. So let me try this method. No, this is too long. Let's go down again. So I'm trying this new method of Bantu knot I saw on YouTube. Like, your hair may not absorb most of it depending on the porosity. That's why it's best for you to do this after you're coming out of your wash. Like, your wash, I don't know, let's say your wash day. Like, when you're done from the bathroom, when you're done washing your hair, this is like the next step that you should take. This may not likely work for you. Like, all this moisture we're putting will just sit on your hair, it will not get absorbed, you get. So my hair is reverting now. bantu it now. So you guys, like always, I'm going to do the rest of camera and come back to show you guys what my hair is looking like. So you guys see like how the hair is separating. So you guys, I'm on the last section for the right side. So I think I'm having like 5 this side. So I should have 5 on the other side as well. Okay, so also let me know in the comment section what type hair you would have wished you had. You like if you were asked to come to transform. So tell me what type hair. Would you have liked a type 2 or type 3? Or would you have still liked your type 4 hair but you want like a 4B or a 4 or a 4A? So guys, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm really skeptical about this hair butter, because it's not something that evaporates, you know, it's like thick oil. So right now it's really squishy and it's still like oil in there. So I really don't know what's gonna be the outcome of this. Yeah, so like the idea of this video came from this young lady right here. I liked what she did with the bantu knot thingy, so that's why I'm trying it this way. But I don't know what butter she used. I don't know if she used like a conditioner or she used an actual butter. So I decided to use an actual butter since I've wanted to use a butter on my hair for a long time. So yeah. Did you think I was going to go without showing you how to keep your hair? So this is what this looks like. I literally used a silk scarf to wrap the hair after all that good stuff. So be rest assured that your pillow will be soiled, so get ready. Yeah, this has brought us to the end of today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it also helps my video to pop up on your home to check other of my content so that you can get a better first impression of me. If this is your first time here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome home, baby. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao.